Intro. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that is revolutionizing the way businesses operate, building an end-to-end automated machine learning pipeline for predictive analytics. In this digital age, companies are inundated with data, and the ability to efficiently analyze this data to make informed decisions is paramount. That's where an automated machine learning pipeline comes into play. So, whether you're a seasoned data scientist, a business analyst, or someone simply interested in understanding how predictive analytics works, this video is for you. What is predictive analytics? Let's start with the basics. Predictive analytics is a branch of advanced analytics that uses historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on the data. In simpler terms, it's about using past data to make predictions about future events. Businesses leverage predictive analytics for various purposes, including customer segmentation, risk assessment, demand forecasting, and even fraud detection. Now, you might wonder, how exactly can businesses implement predictive analytics effectively? The answer lies in building a well-structured, automated machine learning pipeline. This pipeline takes raw data and processes it into actionable insights through a series of stages. What is an automated machine learning pipeline? An automated machine learning pipeline streamlines the entire machine learning process, minimizing manual intervention and errors. It encompasses data collection, pre-processing, model training, evaluation, and deployment. By automating these stages, businesses can significantly reduce the time it takes to go from data to insights, enabling them to react swiftly to market changes or internal performance metrics. Stage 1: Data collection. The first step in creating our automated pipeline is data collection. Data is the cornerstone of any predictive analytics project. Depending on the nature of your business, data can come from a myriad of sources, such as customer databases, social media platforms, online transactions, or even IoT devices. In an automated pipeline, we typically utilize APIs, web scraping tools, or data integration platforms to aggregate data from these various sources in real time. The goal here is to ensure that our data is as comprehensive and as up-to-date as possible. For instance, if a retail company wants to predict sales trends, it might pull data from its point-of-sale systems, customer relationship management software, and even social media engagement metrics. An automated pipeline can be set up to run these data collection processes on a scheduled basis, ensuring that the data is fresh and relevant. Stage 2: Data pre-processing. Once we have our data, the next step is data pre-processing. This stage is crucial because real-world data is often messy, incomplete, or unstructured. In our automated pipeline, we would typically implement several data cleaning steps. This involves handling missing values, removing duplicates, and converting data into a standardized format. For example, if you're working with customer data, you might need to standardize address formats, fill in missing demographic information, or convert dates into a uniform structure. Next, we need to explore feature engineering. This is the process of transforming raw data into meaningful features that can improve the performance of our machine learning model. It could involve creating new variables based on existing ones, like calculating the average purchase value from a customer's transaction history or encoding categorical variables into numerical formats. In an automated setting, tools like Python libraries can be utilized to script these pre-processing steps, ensuring that they run consistently each time new data is introduced into the pipeline. Stage 3: Model selection. The third stage of our automated machine learning pipeline is model selection. Here, we choose the appropriate machine learning algorithms based on the nature of our data and the business problem we are trying to solve. This is where automation really shines. Automated machine learning, or AutoML, platforms can analyze the data and suggest multiple models for evaluation. For instance, if our goal is to predict customer churn, we might consider models like logistic regression, decision trees, or even more complex algorithms like gradient boosting or neural networks. The beauty of an automated pipeline is that it can run these models in parallel, allowing us to quickly identify which model performs best based on predefined metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score. This can save hours or even days of manual experimentation. Stage 4: Model training and tuning. After selecting the potential models, the next step is model training and hyperparameter tuning. In a traditional pipeline, this often involves a lot of trial and error to find the best settings for each model. However, in an automated pipeline, this process can be streamlined significantly. Automated tools can perform hyperparameter optimization using techniques such as grid search or random search. These methods systematically evaluate different combinations of hyperparameters to enhance the model's performance. Additionally, techniques like cross-validation can be employed to ensure that the model generalizes well to unseen data, further improving reliability. During this stage, we can also monitor the training process and collect metrics that will be vital for the evaluation phase. Stage 5, Model Evaluation. Once we've trained our models, it's time for the evaluation stage. Here, we assess how well our models perform based on a separate validation dataset that was not used during training. In an automated setup, we can define metrics that are crucial for our business objectives, be it accuracy for a classification problem or mean-squared error for regression tasks. The automated pipeline can generate confusion matrices, ROC curves, and other visualizations to give us a clear picture of the model's performances. Additionally, we can implement automated reporting features that summarize the results and highlight the best-performing model, making it easy for business stakeholders to understand the findings without delving into technical details. Stage 6, Deployment. Now that we have a well-performing model, the next step is deployment. This is where our model transitions from a testing environment to a production environment, enabling real-time predictions. In an automated machine learning pipeline, deployment can be as simple as clicking a button, thanks to tools that facilitate model serving. For instance, we could use platforms like AWS SageMaker, Google AI Platform, or Azure ML, which streamline the deployment process. Once deployed, our model can start making predictions based on incoming data. This could involve predicting customer behavior, recommending products, or forecasting sales. Additionally, we can set up monitoring systems that track the model's performance over time to ensure it continues to deliver accurate predictions in a dynamic business environment. Stage 7, Monitoring and Maintenance. The final stage of our automated machine learning pipeline is monitoring and maintenance. Just because a model performs well at deployment doesn't mean it will always retain that performance. Business dynamics change, and so does data. An automated pipeline can continuously monitor model performance, alerting data scientists or business analysts if performance drops below a certain threshold. This allows for timely interventions, such as retraining the model with new data or refining the feature set. Maintaining an automated pipeline also involves keeping the data pipeline healthy, ensuring that data sources remain reliable and that data quality is consistently high. Conclusion. In conclusion, building an end-to-end automated machine learning pipeline for predictive analytics in business is not just a luxury but a necessity in today's data-driven world. By automating stages such as data collection, pre-processing, model selection, training, evaluation, deployment, and monitoring, businesses can unlock the power of predictive analytics quickly and efficiently. As we've discussed, this pipeline provides a structured approach that minimizes human error and maximizes efficiency, enabling organizations to stay ahead of their competitors. As technology continues to evolve, embracing automation in machine learning will be key to leveraging data for strategic decision-making. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on data science, machine learning, and business analytics. And as always, share your thoughts in the comments below. What challenges have you faced in predictive analytics? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.